Hi everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. If you are new to my channel, hi, my name is Madhushmita and you are welcome to Dio Wallet. I know guys, you guys are not habituated to this thing. Finally started wearing specs, so you just have to bear with me. But anyways, whenever I'll do a makeup tutorials or so, I won't be wearing this specs. But since they are new, I have to wear it for at least regularly every day. So that was a quick life update. But anyways, as you have read from the title, today I'm going to show you my product empties. I have never done this product empties in my YouTube channel. Since I have started doing favorites, like monthly favorites, one of my subscriber did ask me to do product empties as well. अभी मेरे साथ नहीं हुआ है that I have finished a product. I mean, there are not many products that I finished up. Like there are only 2 to 3 products which I usually buy every month. Like वो monthly package में आता है तो हर month वो मैं खरीद लेती हूँ. If you want to know my product empties and will I ever buy them next month, then please continue watching. I'll just start with skincare first. First product empties that I have is of course from skincare range. So I have the simple रिफ्रेशिंग फेशियल वॉश. थोड़ा सा ही बाकी है, लाइक इतू सा ही बाकी है. लाइक एक हफ्ते में ये ख़त्म होने ही वाला है. एंड आई जस्ट हैव टू फिल्म दिस वीडियो, तो इसलिए शो कर रही हूँ कि दिस इज़ गोइंग टू गेट ओवर. सो आई हैव ऑलरेडी टॉक्ड अ लॉट अबाउट दिस ऑन माई IGTV एंड ऑन माई स्टोरीज एज वेल. You should check my top 5 series on face wash. So you will get to know my review on it. This is a very hydrating face wash, so I believe that I think I'm going to repurchase it again for the next month. Now the second product empty I have again from the brand called Simple, and this is their protecting light moisturizer. This is a very good moisturizer again for stiff to acne prone skin. I do have a combination to acne prone skin, so that's the reason why I use this. So after 1.5 years, ये मैंने last year खरीदा था and I don't know why ये कभी ख़त्म ही नहीं हुआ. And finally this got over. I don't know if I'm going to repurchase this particular one right now because I do not have acne as such. If my acne would come out, then obviously I'm going to repurchase it, but I don't think that for now I'm going to repurchase it because right now I'm loving my Earth Rhythm Phyto moisturizer. So I'm in love with that moisturizer right now, so I don't think that I'm going to repurchase right now. Since you are talking about moisturizer, the next thing that I finished off is this Laneige sleeping mask again. So this was my second tube, and yeah, you guys have seen this in my monthly favorite video as well. I do chemical exfoliating, like the AHA BHA peeling solution or any chemical exfoliation as of. I use this particular sleeping mask of course that day, and the next morning I just wake up with a very glowy and a very hydrating skin. So yeah, but this was my second tube, and of course I'm going to buy the next tube for the next month. Actually I have already ordered for the next month. So yeah, second empty, अभी तक ये पूरा का empty नहीं हुआ है, but this is the Pixi Glow Tonic. इतना सा ही बचा है, तो I think by next week this is going to get over as well. I don't use this every day because obviously this is a chemical exfoliating. Alternative day I use this, or after every 3 days or 3 to 2 days I use this particular toner, and again I'm in love with it, but it's quite expensive, so I don't know if I'm going to repurchase it because I've seen doctors said 5% glycolic toner as well. So I have my eye on that particular toner, so I feel that that's a dupe of the Pixi Glow Tonic. So I'm just going to keep this aside for now, and I'm going to purchase the Dr. Sheth one because I really want to try that. And if that would work, then I don't think that I'm ever going to use this since it is very expensive. I mean, yeah. The thing that I finished off is this Plum Sea Bactrum Nutri Plenish face mist. This particular mist was over since 2 months. I was just saving it so that I can show it to you guys. So very refreshing and all that. Right now I don't think that I need a face mist in my life because we are not going anywhere. So जब मैं college जाती थी, then I used to use the face mist because just refreshed and very hydrating when I'm running around the college. I just need something hydrating on my face throughout the day, right? So that's the reason why I was using this face mist, but since I don't need this right now, at least for this year, so I'll just skip buying this. Next empty that I have with me is actually not that empty, but this is the Laneige lip sleeping mask. It has been more than 9 months now that I'm using this particular lip balm and ये अभी ख़त्म हुआ. So if you are planning to buy this lip balm, this will last you about 10 months. Like मुझे तो ये 9 to 10 months easily काम कर गया. So only this much is left. As you can see, I use this almost every single day, and you guys must have seen this particular lip balm in my every skincare video. Like I do not use any other lip balm other than this particular. So yeah, ये भी एक हफ्ता तक चला ही जाएगा. I'm definitely gonna buy another tube of it because since winter is coming, I really have to pack this one out. This product empty that I have with me is from makeup, obviously. So this is the Maybelline concealer and this is in the shade caramel. Now since I'm not going out and I'm not tan anymore, this is not my shade. So as you can see, this is quite yellowish from my skin tone, so that's the reason why I'm not gonna purchase it again. Right now I'm using the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer in the shade Honey and Medium, and they are working perfectly fine. Like they are not on my skin tone, but they are working perfectly fine for a highlighting shade. I don't think that they have a shade of my complexion, so I would rather not buy these concealers. So yeah, the next empties I have are from Wow Skin Science. Now I promised you guys that I'm going to make a separate video where I'll be talking about Wow products, but I don't think that I'm going to do that because I don't think that I'm going to buy anything of Wow this month or so. Like it will take a while. Why not sharing it with you right now in this video? So I have only 2 products that I have used from Wow. Actually I have used other products as well, like long back, like years back, and I don't have the packaging with me right now, of course, but yeah, let me just show you what all I finished of Wow. So the first empty that I have is the Wow hair strengthening shampoo. You guys must have been disappointed that why I don't have their onion rays, because you guys have requested me to try their onion range as well. But right now I've been using better shampoos which are actually working for me, and अभी मैं अपने बालों को थोड़ा संवार रही हूँ. I just don't want anything happen to my hair right now, so that's the reason why I'm being careful and I'm not using any other products right now. Before 3 months I used to use the Wow strengthening shampoo, and ये अकेली मैं यूज़ नहीं कर रही थी, मेरी मम्मी भी यूज़ कर रही थी और मैं भी यूज़ कर रही थी. आपको ये हालत से पता चल ही गया होगा कि पूरा कबाड़ खाने में पड़ा था. इसको मैं उठा के लाई just to show you in this video. It's the worst shampoo ever, I would say. This made my hair much frizzy, like very much frizzy. Like abhi you can see my hair is less frizzy, like it is controllable, and abhi मैंने ना literally comb भी नहीं किया है, but still my hair looks very manageable. But the day I used this particular shampoo, my hair just looked like a bird's nest. Very weird, and I don't think that I'm going to purchase that shampoo ever again. I think I had my worst experience with me, and even my mom has a dry hair, and you can understand उनका बाल कैसा लग रहा होगा. So that's the reason why it was a no for both of us. We tried it for 2 months continuously, and trust me, hair strengthening मतलब strong होना, no hair fall and everything, it did nothing. Instead it made my hair very rough, very dry and very frizzy. Next empty from Wow is the apple cider face wash. This was a mind-blowing face wash. If you are from oily skin, you have open pores, go for this. Just go for this. This was an amazing face wash, guys. I am truly impressed with the face wash. I mean, the ingredients are quite good as well, I see, but this does contain fragrance, so if you are allergic to fragrance you can avoid this. But overall I really like this particular face wash. If you're someone who want to try their apple cider vinegar range, then I think that you should go for it if you have oily or open pores. So but if you have acne prone skin, then you should go for their anti-acne range because they are very good. I have already given my full review on it, so you should check that out as well. Try to use more and more Wow products, and I'll try to give my honest opinion on my YouTube channel, so stay tuned for it. I'm quite excited to try all of their products, but not their hair care range for now because I'm happy with my hair right now. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys like this video. If you like this video, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.